What's up, guys? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fam, back at it again with another video on the channel. So before I even discuss what I got going on for today's video, just want to give a shout out to all the new subscribers showing their support for subscribing recently. Thank y'all guys, greatly appreciate it. For today's video, I am going to be installing some fog lights. Now, if you're already subscribed to the channel, you already know that I do have fog lights customized on the front of my G35. So I'm going to stay with those, but I kind of envision something where I want to have those fog lights and another set of fog lights. Now, the other set of fog lights that I'm going to install, they're not like the ones that I have installed already with the halos and all that. I came across these off of the jdmtoy.com. So they were real cheap. I looked into it. They said they're waterproof. They look pretty bright, real easy to install. So I'm going to install some of those, and I'm going to wire them up to my side markers. Hopefully it comes out looking how I envisioned. If not, then it's not really that hard to take apart. Like I said, it comes with some hardware. I'm not gonna have to do any customizing, hopefully, but hopefully the end of the look kind of looks like what I want the car to look like. So if I give y'all some ideas, then then y'all can see how I go about and wire everything up. But for the time being, we'll see what happens, and then I can finally say I completed phase 1 of my G35. And like I said, I did a recent poll on what part I should get next, because on my phase 2 I'm gonna start working on the suspension and all that, and the majority of the voters had voted for a front sway bar. So I'll probably order that, and then once that comes in, then we'll start working on the suspension. So it'll probably be the front sway bar, the rear sway bar, then I'll probably do the camber arms, get the strut tower, and then the coilovers. But it'll just be little by little, because some of this stuff is kind of pricey. So we'll see what happens. But for the most part, if y'all don't want to miss on the build, like always, man, subscribe, hit that notification bell, that way you can see how everything turns out. But that being said, like always, been talking too much, so let's get this video started. So guys, to complete this little project, what you're gonna need is some washers, a pair of strippers, some black paint, and a cardboard. So the reason why I'm using the washers is because, as you can tell, the hole for this grill is a little bit bigger than the threaded part and the nut. So with the washers, it's gonna prevent it from going through. So I'm gonna spray paint them black, that way it kind of matches. I don't know how it's gonna look. Hopefully it comes out okay, but like I said, if it doesn't look good, then I'll just take it off. It's not that hard. And then I got the strippers to strip the ends. They give you enough slack, that way you can make it up to the side markers. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint these washers black, let them sit for a little bit, and then I'll go to the next step and show you what I'm gonna do. Alright, so once you have your washers nice and dry, what you're going to do is put the washer through the wire, and you're going to have it behind the LED light. So once you're done with this, you're just going to feed the wire through the hole that you want. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it right here, that way it's still free from the other fog light that I installed. Feed all the slack down, just like that. That way this goes up, and then I have it like that. And then what I'm gonna do, So now the next step, guys, as you can see, put the washer together, put the nut and everything. Really simple, easy install. I know it kind of looks a little cheesy, but that's what I came up with. If y'all know a better and cleaner way to do it, let me know in the comments down below. But for the most part, that's the way I did it. So we'll see how it looks. Like I said, if you're far away, if you're not really paying attention, you know, you can't really tell. But if you go ahead and look close, you'll notice that there's, you know, a washer there holding it. For the most part, with all this slack, I'm just gonna go ahead and run it right here behind the front lip of the vehicle. Let's see, right there, guys. Run it all right there, and then being that I already took out the side marker, I'm just gonna splice it into this, and that's pretty much, that's how easy it is to just do this little install. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna see what the final look looks like on this. So just to give you a little look of how I'm wiring it up, I use the crimping tool and use some butt splices to splice it. That's what it's gonna look like. I got this at Harbor Freight, so it's a pretty good little set. I just went ahead and used that. But yeah, that's what I did. So I'm gonna do that to the other side. Once I complete that, then everything should look pretty good, and I'm gonna turn it on. And then of course I'll hide all those wires back there, make it look good. That way the wheel doesn't get caught in anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, but I just thought I'd show y'all what I went ahead and did. Alright guys, so that pretty much concludes this video. Before I show y'all what it looks like, finished terminating everything. You could probably see in the back how bright they are. If I remember, these are 6K, and for $12.99, that's not a bad deal. Like I said, I just wired it to my side markers, so it was a really easy install. If I didn't have my amber yellow lights, I'd probably have put these on first and put them behind the grill instead of mounting them on the grill. But I mean, it does look good. It was what I was expecting. So yeah, if y'all really like the way it looks, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Like always, man, share the video, and that way if other G35 owners want to get some ideas, I always, you know, like putting my ideas out there and putting them on the car, so that way y'all could get ideas and probably do the same thing if y'all want. But like always, man, thank y'all for y'all support, and now I can officially say that I finished my first phase of the G35. So stay tuned for phase 2 on the car. I'll probably be getting some front sway bars and just start working on the suspension, guys. But like always, man, greatly appreciate the support, and y'all have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. It's your boy Giovanni. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.